Hello everyone. Welcome back to Simple English Talks. I'm so excited to be here with you today.
Hey there, it's great to have you with us again. We've got such a useful lesson for you today.
Oh yes, today we're talking about one of the most important words in English. It's a word you'll use every single day.
That's right, we're learning all about the word get. This little word has so many different meanings.
Get is everywhere. You can get a coffee, get tired, get home, get a joke. It's amazing how one word can do so much.
By the end of this episode, you'll understand how to use get in many different situations. You'll sound much more natural when you speak English.
We're also going to teach you some really common phrasal verbs with get. Things like get up, get over, get along, and get to.
So here's my question for you. How many different ways do you already use the word get? Write your answer in the comments below.
Yes, please share with us. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for Simple English Talks so you can learn with us every week.
All right, let's get started. See what I did there? I used get already.
Ha ha ha! Perfect example. Okay, let's dive into our first section.
So let's start with the most basic meanings of get. This word is super flexible, and that's why it's so useful.
The first meaning is to receive or obtain something. The structure is simple. Subject plus get plus object.
Exactly. Here are some examples. I get emails every day. She got a new phone yesterday. We're going to get pizza for dinner.
Can you get me some water? They got the tickets for the concert. He gets good grades in school.
See how natural that sounds? In all these sentences, get means to receive or obtain something.
I use this all the time. This morning, I said to my friend, I need to get some coffee before work. It just means I need to buy or obtain coffee.
Perfect. Now, the second meaning is to arrive or reach a place. For example, what time did you get home last night?
I got to the office at 9 o'clock. We'll get there in about 10 minutes. When will you get to New York?
Notice something? When we talk about arriving at a place, we often say get to plus the place. Get to work, get to school, get to the station.
But we don't say get to home. We just say get home. That's a special case.
Great point! So it's I got home, not I got to home. Just remember that one.
The third basic meaning is to become. This is when something changes from one state to another.
Yes, like it's getting dark outside. I'm getting tired. She's getting better at English every day.
The weather is getting colder. Don't get angry. He got sick last week.
This is so useful. Instead of saying I am becoming tired, we just say I'm getting tired. Much more natural.
Exactly. So we have three main meanings so far. Get means to receive something, to arrive somewhere, or to become something.
Let me ask our listeners this. Can you write a sentence using get with one of these three meanings? Put your sentence in the comments.
Yes, please practice. Now, let's talk about the negative form. We use don't get or didn't get.
I don't get much sleep on weekdays. She didn't get my message. We don't get a lot of rain here.
And for questions, we put do or did before the subject. Do you get it? Did you get my email? What time do you usually get home?
All right, so now you understand the three basic meanings of get. You can receive something, arrive somewhere, or become something. Let's move on to phrasal verbs. Main teaching section 2. Get up and get over.
Now let's learn some really common phrasal verbs with get. These are phrases that use get plus another word, and they create new meanings.
The first one is get up. This means to wake up and leave your bed in the morning.
I get up at 7 every morning. What time do you get up on weekdays? She gets up early to exercise.
On Sundays, I like to get up late. maybe around 10 or 11.
Haha, lucky you. I have kids, so I can't get up late even on weekends.
We can also use get up for standing. If you're sitting or lying down, you get up. Get up off the couch. The students got up when the teacher entered.
So get up has two meanings: to wake up and leave bed, or to stand up from sitting or lying down.
Now let's talk about get over. This phrasal verb means to recover from something difficult.
Usually, we use it for sickness or emotional problems. I finally got over my cold. It took her a long time to get over the breakup.
It can take weeks to get over the flu. Have you gotten over your disappointment yet?
Get over can also mean to stop feeling upset about something. You need to get over it and move on.
Like if your team loses a game, your friend might say, "Come on, get over it. It's just a game."
Exactly. Now, there's a difference between formal and informal usage here. Get over is pretty casual.
Right. In a formal situation, you might say recover from instead. I'm recovering from an illness sounds more formal than I'm getting over an illness.
But in everyday conversation, get over is perfect and very natural.
Let's practice. Think about a time you got over something. Maybe a cold, maybe a sad moment. Can you write I got over and then finish the sentence? Share it in the comments.
Great practice idea. Now let's look at our next phrasal verb.
The next one is get along. This means to have a good relationship with someone.
I get along well with my coworkers. Do you get along with your neighbors? They don't get along at all.
My brother and I get along great now, but when we were kids, we fought all the time.
Haha, that's so common. Get along can also be get along with. I get along with my boss. She gets along with everyone.
If you don't have a good relationship, you say, we don't get along. It's simple and clear.
Another way to use get along is to ask, how are you getting along? This means, how are you doing? Or, how are things going?
Oh, yes. It's like, how's your new job? Are you getting along okay?
So get along is about relationships and about how you're managing in a situation.
Perfect. So now you know get up, get over, and get along. 3 super useful phrasal verbs that native speakers use every single day.
Now we have another really important use of get. This is get to plus a verb.
When we say get to plus a verb, it means to have the opportunity or chance to do something.
And usually, we're happy about this opportunity. It's something positive.
Here are some examples. I get to work from home on Fridays. She gets to travel for her job. Do you get to choose your own schedule?
We got to meet the author at the book signing. They get to leave early today.
See, it's about having a nice opportunity. It's like you're lucky to do this thing.
I love using this. Yesterday, I said to my friend, I get to see my family this weekend. I was so excited.
That's the perfect tone. Get to shows you're pleased about the opportunity.
Now, compare these two sentences. I have to work tomorrow. I get to work tomorrow.
Ooh, big difference. I have to work tomorrow means it's my obligation. Maybe I don't want to. But I get to work tomorrow means I'm happy about it. Maybe I love my job.
Exactly. The meaning completely changes based on whether you use have to or get to.
Another example. I have to see the dentist versus I get to see my best friend. Very different feelings.
So when you want to show you're happy about an opportunity, use get to plus the verb.
We can also use get to for asking permission in a casual way. Do I get to pick the movie? Does he get to come with us?
It's a bit informal, but very natural in everyday English.
Now, there's also the negative form. If you say, I don't get to do something, it means you don't have the opportunity and you're a bit sad about it.
Yes, like I don't get to see my parents very often. They live far away. She doesn't get to travel much because of work.
It shows disappointment, right? You wish you could, but you can't.
Exactly. All right, let's practice. Think of something you're happy to do. Write I get to, and then finish the sentence. Share it with us in the comments.
Yes, we want to hear what opportunities you're excited about. Okay, now let's talk about common mistakes people make with get.
All right, everyone makes mistakes when learning English. I made so many mistakes when I was learning Spanish.
Me too. So don't feel bad. Let's look at some common mistakes with get so you can avoid them.
Mistake number 1 is using get in very formal writing. Get is great for speaking and casual writing, but in formal academic or business writing, it can be too informal.
Right. For example, in an essay, don't write I got good results. Instead, write I obtained good results or I achieved good results.
But in normal conversation, I got good results is perfectly fine.
Exactly. So know your context. Formal writing. Use obtain, receive, achieve. Casual speaking. Get is great.
Mistake number 2 is forgetting the to in get to when talking about arriving at a place.
Yes, don't say I got the office. Say I got to the office.
Wrong. What time you get the station? Right. What time did you get to the station?
Remember, you get to a place, not just get a place. Unless you're talking about receiving it.
Oh, that's confusing. I get a package means I receive it. I get to the office means I arrive there.
Haha, good point. Context is everything.
Mistake number 3 is saying get to home instead of get home.
Yes, we say I get home, not I get to home. Home is special, no TO needed.
I got home at 6. What time do you get home? Not what time do you get to home?
It's just one of those English quirks. You have to memorize it.
Mistake number 4 is confusing get with take or bring.
Oh yes. Don't say I'll get you to the airport when you mean I'll take you to the airport.
Get can mean to go and bring back. Can you get me some milk from the store? You go, buy it, and bring it back.
But if you're transporting a person, use take. I'll take you home.
Though we do say, let me get you home safely in some contexts. English is tricky.
True, but generally, for people, use take. For objects you're fetching, use get.
Don't worry if this feels confusing. Just listen to how native speakers use it, and you'll get it eventually.
See, you just used get it. That means to understand something. Haha, there's another meaning.
Oh my goodness. Get has so many uses. But that's why it's so useful. Keep practicing, and it'll become natural.
Exactly. Mistakes are just part of learning. Keep trying, and you'll get better and better.
All right, let's do some practice together. I'm going to give you 2 sentences, and you choose which one is correct.
Speak your answer out loud. This will help you remember.
Ready? Number 1. A. I get to home at 6. B. I get home at 6.
Which one is right? Think about it.
The answer is B. I get home at 6. Remember, no TO before home.
Number 2. A. What time do you get up? B. What time do you get awake?
It's A. We say get up, not get awake. Get up is the phrasal verb for waking up.
Number 3. A. I got over my cold. B. I got away my cold.
It's A. I got over my cold means I recovered from it. Got away doesn't make sense here.
Good. Number 4. A. She gets along her sister. B. She gets along with her sister.
The answer is B. We say get along with someone. Don't forget the with.
Number 5. A. I get to travel next month. B. I get travel next month.
It's A. I get to travel. we need the to between get and the verb.
Great job practicing. How did you do? Did you get them all right?
Now, here's a challenge. Can you create your own sentence using one of the phrasal verbs we learned today? Write it in the comments.
Yes. Use get up, get over, get along, or get to in a sentence about your own life. We'd love to read them.
Remember, the goal isn't perfection. The goal is to practice and improve.
That's right. Even if you make a mistake, you're learning. That's what matters.
Wow, we covered so much today. I'm really proud of you for sticking with us through this whole lesson.
Let's quickly review what we learned. First, we talked about the three basic meanings of get.
Right. Get can mean to receive something, to arrive somewhere, or to become something.
Then, we learned four important phrasal verbs. Get up means to wake up or to stand up.
Get over means to recover from something, like an illness or disappointment.
Get along means to have a good relationship with someone.
And get to plus a verb means to have the opportunity to do something, and you're happy about it.
We also talked about common mistakes, like using get to home instead of get home.
The most important thing to remember is that get is super useful in everyday English. Native speakers use it all the time.
So here's my question for you. Which phrasal verb with get will you try to use this week?
Yes, think about it and tell us in the comments. And please, if you enjoyed this lesson, give us a like and subscribe to Simple English Talks.
Share this episode with your friends who are learning English too. The more you share, the more people can improve their English.
We love seeing your comments and your practice sentences. It makes us so happy to be part of your English learning journey.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. You're doing great. See you next time.